Today is perfect day to be alive. It's up being bowling this thing, and we have had said, and train station on the way to Chiang Mai. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But takes a CS to get me in now. I'm going to show you Chiang Mai. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And here, as you see, on the board, the train. Today is the perfect day to be here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Just got off the train, as you can see. I've been asleep, so actually it took about 13 hours to get here. I do not remember, but the first 2 hours of the ride, well, it's time to go check out the city before I check in. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget today is the perfect day to be alive. Let's go explore Chiang Mai.